Honestly, monto they don't get in a Kiangoi. Kiangoi might we actually there's a time Kiangoi at the Kondigia, Chikobol Chikura in 2013. To Kavera Nere Public Service Club. In 2013, yeah, 2013. He persuaded me to join Lina Lialengate Yala. I want to believe so. Kiata contest. So akaangira tukikaranza and we agreed. But one karona chiko soka kanyorana Mosketi Modusira had more influence as a ODM and the winner no, don't waste your time. The only problem is sometimes I'm very sincere. So nabongote wana yale.
Sibuka.
So team agandena no ntwe we have already earmarked someone for this. I participated in one rally in Ekerenyo. Ekero Moskera Odinga Jeto. So we had Charles Geni who was also kumbenere oyondango go promote Moske Timothy. So I said I don't have a chance. So that was Kiangoi as saying Toyendoguchia. But I was not able to go because of that position. Maybe that's the time I could have been an MP because I contested as a party Kenya National Congress, almost Peter Kenneth, but I lost. And in 2017, we were in the same party, like Kiangoi. Ere Nomwaka Nyambati. And we are very close friends, actually very good friends. And I don't have anything personal. And I have a lot of respect for him. Kiara is a leader. He's been there. Even when we were putting the teams together, I remember we went for a retreat and we did very well. I just want to appreciate that toward any single issue. This reaction, and I'll not even want to go further than that, because sometimes people throw things out of spin. Yeah, you see, like people are telling him that one is meant for the museum. You didn't hear me talk about a museum. So about distorted information. You know what I was saying really is that one Oliga went to cover as a counselor, to advise or mentor people. Okay? And that's an opinion I gave, not to demean, that's why I was giving these examples here, Kinababu. If you go to parliament today, the youngest member of parliament, paraded. Kinawere, young people generally. The kind of government we have at the moment, the governance structure, is presidential. Unlike the ministers, nowadays we do most of the workers' storage committees. So at the governance structure, it doesn't mean that you cannot fit. At the end of the day, I was only giving my opinion because apparently, when I was addressing some issues on security and but if it offended almost Kiangoi, I'm sorry for that. And if it was distorted and people are trying to make political capital out of it, it's a bit unfortunate. There's nothing I can do about it because I've seen from time to time it doesn't matter now because it's water under the bridge. Again, I'm the serving member of parliament. At least I was given a mandate. And I'll be defending the seat unless I change going forward, which is unlikely. And it's not my nature. Abuse was covered so harsh on my barito compete in Europe. It's not my cup of tea. I don't do it. But sometimes nabokonya kwa giviri ekwerende enkwana gete yamajikoba distorted. And then the same person oyibantu okwano guru Kiangoi is also full of propaganda. Maybe that's the way he conducts himself. kiagera na igwa gotebia abantu na naroka abantu bachache unabagere. I'm not so primitive to call people unabagere. Then ntoge jeti abagere are actually my best friends. So ndiro ranyora abantu bago kwane ibintu bindi bitiri bagwente kwagacha kwanyara mbiri okorake mbiri kwagacha. Let's be careful. That's what we tell our people to seek as a leadership so that we're able to move which mutu.
Una yomura yora obono and we are heading to elections come 2027. Nothing in Chonaro to ensemo yebungi and North Mokirango. Aba MCA mbaro ba bekire ensemo ba chorre side ba kwegera ensemeiga. Yabambaro wa vanda ba kapaira ba MCA ba sokire. What do you think North Mogirango ahead of 2027? Is there a need yogo beka vanda vegamo buna yomura yori kirogo so that motora differences will affect the leadership and perhaps developments going forward?
No, we have tried on so many occasions. I'll give you an example. Kero Tobata Mangani University. Actually, I was left alone to fight for it, including Abandoliba Kiangoi University answered it. They didn't want to support it because Abandoliba was your colleague into. When I go, you are gaining political mileage. Yani gonna rendo but sometimes we do it because tokora nikelege nteki kwente okorekana. So a leadership in Leonsi echoliro na bono yoto kwata ba MCS to kwato mugavana. Imagine onya ndito okorega siam 4 constituencies to kwato the MCS wale elected wale nominated. Tungekuwa tumepiga hatua sana. It's a bit unfortunate and you know it from this media house. If there is one county that told a lot of issues, challenges, ichichi ansire okay abono Nyamira. Kwaro rabwate 2 assemblies. Yeah. Nkwaro rabantu na bakorwana niyo very small impeachments guy nini paka abantu bagateba babekiru Kisumu Kiangoi. You know even tebiri bitakwente kobo. We are living in the 21st century. 21st century. 64 years since independence. To went into differently. To when the Tikova Nanin to Togongo Sawachmaga and Avant Bagorunya Miralibato and those coach motu. This almost affected Kisi County. If you go to Omabe, apart from the issue between the governor and the deputy governor, there's nothing. If you go to Machakos, it's very quiet. If you go to Makueni, the same. Very quiet. Go to Kilifi, the other side. So what I'm trying to say, Ruoti, Belina, kero ka historia alikwe. Iko likune kero baba Nyamoko, baba Nyalibo, baba MCS bali bayangali. Ingakiri bagambete. We were not able to make so many strides as saying in So what I try to do as much as possible to come back to your statement, your MCA, we are ready to embrace each other.